Allah wanted you to hear this right now, because your mind has been carrying thoughts that were never meant to weigh your heart down this much. You've been replaying situations, questioning decisions, worrying about what's coming next, and revisiting moments you wish had gone differently. Somewhere between thinking about tomorrow and reflecting on yesterday, you may have forgotten a powerful truth. Nothing in your life has ever existed outside the knowledge and control of Allah. Lately, you've been trying to understand everything. Every delay feels personal. Every disappointment feels confusing. Every unanswered dua leaves you wondering why things are unfolding the way they are. You search for clear explanations, hoping that if you could just understand the reason behind your struggles, your heart would finally feel at peace. But the reality is this: not every part of Allah's plan is meant to be understood while you are living through it. Sometimes guidance arrives disguised as loss. Sometimes clarity comes after a period of silence. And sometimes Allah removes something from your path, not to hurt you, but to protect you from what you cannot yet see. That is difficult for the human heart, because when something matters deeply to us, we want immediate results. We want reassurance. We want life to move according to our expectations and our timing. Yet Allah's decree has never been rushed by your anxiety, nor slowed down by your fear. What is written for you is already moving towards you with absolute precision. Nothing meant for you can miss you, and nothing that misses you was ever truly yours. Think back to moments that once felt like heartbreak, situations you cried over, opportunities you desperately wanted but never received. At the time, it felt unbearable, but later, with distance and reflection, many of those moments began to make sense. You realized that what felt like rejection was actually protection. What felt like loss was guidance leading you somewhere better. This is the essence of trusting Allah. Trust does not come from understanding every detail of the journey. It comes from knowing the one guiding your life is perfectly wise, endlessly merciful, and never unjust. Maybe right now your heart is exhausted from resisting what is already being arranged for you. Not every closed door means you were denied goodness. Not every delay means you were forgotten. Some things are being prepared in ways your current perspective cannot yet recognize. You see only the waiting, while Allah sees the perfect moment. You see confusion, while Allah sees protection. You see uncertainty, while Allah sees the destination your soul is slowly being led toward. While you've been worrying about what lies ahead, Allah has already been taking care of you. He carried you through days you thought you wouldn't survive. He strengthened you through silent struggles nobody else noticed. He gave you resilience during moments when you felt completely alone. So ask yourself, why would the same Allah who protected you before suddenly abandon you now? Peace begins when the heart recognizes that Allah's care has been present in every chapter of life, even the painful ones. That is why connection with Him matters most during uncertainty, not only during ease. Continue your prayers. Continue your dua. Continue turning back to Him. Even when your mind is filled with questions your heart cannot yet answer. There will come a day when everything connects. One day you will look back and understand why certain people left your life, why certain plans failed, and why some doors never opened despite your sincere efforts. You will realize that Allah was never withholding happiness from you. He was shaping your path with mercy you simply could not recognize at the time. Right now, allow yourself to breathe. You do not need to solve your entire future today. You do not need to carry tomorrow's worries tonight. Your role is not to control every outcome. Your role is to trust the one who controls all outcomes. Perhaps this is the reminder your heart needed at this exact moment, that your life is not random and your struggles are not meaningless. Every delay, every test, every unanswered question is still unfolding under the care of a Lord who understands you better than you understand yourself. So let your heart rest in that certainty. Release the need to figure everything out all at once. What Allah has written for you is already on its way, arriving at the perfect time, in the perfect way, exactly as it was meant to be.